Here's a quick demo of these window cleaners right here. This one has these nice dividers right here, and I have it wet right now. It's a washable sponge. You can get it wet or you can use it dry. I think it works a little better when it's wet. Hopefully you can see that dirt right there just disappearing because it's doing a great job cleaning it up. And I'll just run it through here a little bit longer, and then I'll flip it over and show you the sponge. Picked up a lot of dirt. These weren't super dirty to begin with, but dirty enough that they could definitely use some cleaning. And now this windowsill, this track down here it's completely clean. Let me just show you. It is, that's just stain right there. That's not gonna come up, but the dirt that was in those grooves now it's gone. This thing works extremely well. Now let me show you how this other brush works right here. Let me put the phone back. Now if we look at this brush, there's two pieces to it. This piece right here, you just push it. It clips in right there, so just make sure it's unclipped, and then you can just pull it out of its slot. And then this is basically like a dustpan. See, like these little crumbs right here. You just, like a broom and dust. It's just like a really mini broom and dustpan. You can see in there it picked up those crumbs. So that's how it works. Super easy to use, nice and handy brush. Here's a close-up look at the bristles. Super stoked on these. Cleaning windowsills can be a pain, and these brushes truly do make it way easier.